Hello dear students, this is Professor Ganesh Shinde and today we are going to complete a remaining part or chapter of our course, that is selection of site for fruits and vegetable preservation unit or processing factory or processing unit. When you think about the post harvest technology or post harvest management, that time after harvesting of each and every commodity, they will send to the consumer either in fresh form or processed form. When the commodity or produce sent to the consumer as a fresh form, that time also some of the post harvest handling operations are carried out. Means proper harvesting will be done. After harvesting of each and every commodity, proper grading, sorting, pre-cooling operation is necessary, but in India most of the farmers avoid this. When you think about the quality of produce, that time you must carried out the pre-cooling as well as the sorting, grading and proper transportation facilities. And if there is a market glut, that time you must have to store our produce in the storage unit. When the market price will be increasing, that time our produce gives a better yield or better income to that farmer. And second thing, if after harvesting of commodity they will send to the consumer in a process form, that time there is a important unit gives a or produce a high quality product, that is preservation unit or processing industry. When you think about the processing industry, that time there are different factors or criteria or consideration are required for selection of site. In that, first point is easy availability of raw material in the locality. Means if you take an example of any processing industry which is famous, if you think about the famous industry like Mapro, Malas, which is situated near the Mahabaleshwar area or Y area, that time if you think about the processing industry, that time the availability of raw material should be easily available, first point. And second thing, it should be available at a cheap rate. Suppose in your area there is a lots of production of banana, not apple, and in that area you establish a apple processing industry, that time your raw material are the costly, that time your market or product value is increasing, and which is affect on the consumers demand. If there is a low price of your product, that time the demand is maximum. That's why when you selecting the site, first point is easy availability of raw material in their locality. Second thing, proper transport facility. Means when you selecting the site, that time the field or farmers field is near to the processing industry, as well as you have an proper transport facility. If there is a no or lack of transport facility, that time the produce when reaches to the processing unit, it should be reduce the shelf life. Third point is abundant supply of potable water, because of after harvesting of any produce, when they are sent to the processing industry, that time first operation is carried out. This is a washing. From the washing, at the time of product preparation, at the time of remaining operations like cleaning of utensils, cleaning of your equipment, machineries, that time also abundant water is required, which is high or content of its means distillation unit of water, as well as a good quality of water is required. If the quality is poor, means high tedious or saline water, that time it affect the quality of produce. And this water if you use for the washing of utensils or machineries, that time a salty layer are creating on that vessels. Fourth point is site selected should be in industrial developmental area. This point is important because of the government provides the different schemes, subsidies, as well as low uh, amount of means low price electricity, means different schemes. That's why the selected site should be in industrial developmental area, because of in that areas the water cost is less than the other areas, the electricity cost is less than the other areas, as well as the bank should be approve easily loan for that processing unit. That's why the selected site should be in industrial development area. The next one is the environment should be clean and free from the debris, dust, etc. as far as possible. Because if the environment are clean, that time the product does not have any other smell or any other impurities. If there is a debris or dust, that time it affect on the quality. That's why the selected site environment should be clean and free from the debris as well as the dust. The next one is a considerable distance from other industrial factories, which is spreading soot, smoke, as well as the disagreeable odor, which will affect the adversely the quality of the product. That's why when you selecting the site in industrial area or any other, that time the selected site should be away from the any other uh, chemical factory areas, as well as the tire making, pharmaceutical industry, or any other factory which will create soot, smoke, or disagreeable odor. The next one is a facilitate to dispose of the waste, because after processing or at the time of processing, not whole fruit is utilized. Suppose if you take example of jam, in a mango jam, that time the peel or seed, stalk, leaves, any other plant or fruit, other plants portion is not utilized in that. For the preparation of jam, syrup, as well as the any other product, only pulp is essential. That is why when the remaining waste should be easily disposed, or there is a facility of disposing that waste. The next one is a expansion of the factory. Expansion of factory means there is a scope for the future of expansion of factory. If you selecting the site, and when your product is demanded, and if you want to increase your or expand your factory, that time there should be a scope to expand. That's why when you selecting the site, that time there is a scope for the future expansion of factory. And the last point is labor should be easily available. When you think about that time they should have a clean cloth and aprons to ensure hygienic condition, and the labor should be easily available, cheap, because of when the cost are increasing on labor, ultimately your product cost is increasing, and when the product cost is increasing, ultimately the lower uh, pers- uh, uh, society persons as well as the middlemen are divert the different product. That's why the different small points are should be considered which will impact on price, means selection of site also, potable water, electricity, labor, equipment, utensils, cans, bottles, anything, they should be available at a cheap rate and abundantly. Okay, this is the selection of site for the fruit and vegetable preservation unit or processing factory. If any queries or doubts, then you can message or call me. Thank you.